Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So if you do follow my channel, you'll know that I'm into my project videos and I like to make things out of scrap wood and scrap materials. So in this video I'd like to share with you 10 DIY garden projects. If you'd like to see the full length videos of these projects, I'll leave links in the description box below to those videos. So you can make these things with pretty basic tools and just scrap wood and scrap items that you might find or have lying around at home. So number one is a garden mirror. I actually found this mirror thrown out and decided to put some fence stain on it and add some leading effect across the mirror just to make it look more interesting in the garden, and they can make a small space feel bigger, reflecting what's in your garden already. So a very easy project and cheap project to do. Number two, I found these old dining room chairs and decided to restore them and turn them into garden chairs. So I removed the old MDF tops and replaced them with some plywood that I found and put some fence stain on them and sprayed up the metal. And now they're perfect for the garden. So number three is a suet log feeder. These are easy to make. You can buy suet logs from garden centres, and I've got a piece of wood and drilled some holes in it to add the logs, and then you can just hang it up for the birds. So number four is a diamond shaped blue tit nesting box. This was made with some scrap OSB and a bit of pine. Ideal for attracting blue tits into your garden. So number five is a sparrow hotel. This box is great if you want to attract sparrows into your garden because it allows them to nest separately in different sections of the box. Again, this was made out of some scrap bits of wood. So number six is a sleeper bench. I actually found the top part, the sleeper, next to a skip, and the wood underneath it was also scrap wood. So quite a simple yet effective, nice garden bench. Number seven is a shed base made out of pallet wood. I bought a plastic storage shed and I needed a level base for it, so I decided to make it out of pallet wood and add some adjustable feet on the bottom to make it level. Number eight is a log insect house. These are great for attracting bugs into your garden. Really easy to make. You just need a section of log and you can just drill some holes in it. Number nine is a garden planter. This one in particular I needed for a bamboo plant that was getting bigger, and I just made this out of scrap pallet wood. And number 10 is an Easter Island Moai head. I made this out of an old aerated concrete block that I had lying around, and it's pretty simple to do. You just need some old chisels and rasps, and you can just draw out a basic shape and come out with an Easter Island head for the garden. So that's about it for this video. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And if you'd like to see the videos, there'll be links down below in the description box. So as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.